much for clicking on this video. It's me again, teacher Adah Jules. Hi A-Team! How are ya? Welcome back to my channel! And if you're new here, welcome! I'm teacher Adah Jules and I post videos about 5-1 Talk. So if you want to know more about the company, just click that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I post new videos. Alright! So, some of you are asking me about my power backup kasi usually, merong mga power outages in some parts of the Philippines. Of course, that's normal. So, hindi natin kontrolado yan. We're not really in control of everything like the power or internet outages or interruptions. So, it's better to be safe. I already have a modified UPS. Just let me know if you want to know my power backups and my internet backup. So I'm going to share it with you in the next vlogs if you want. But for now, I'm going to unbox this baby right here. Okay, so I got this for only this is not COD pala. I paid it through Shopee Pay. So may palog ko gunting sa place. Okay, so this is kind of heavy. And you will know later once I open it. Okay, diyan na lang ka magbula. Alright, so here, this is an inverter. Okay, yeah. Mura lang tong inverter na to. And 1,500 watts na siya. So this is how it looks. Good ang kanyang packaging. Alright. I'm gonna try it later. So, yung brand niya is Bosca. It's a solar power inverter with buzzer. Ay! So, pwede na ito ni ibulad sa kay solar man siya. So, here, this is how it looks sa packaging niya. And, we have installation and use method. Yan. Ito yung mga pwede sa kanya. We can have AC loads. Ano yung AC loads? Solar inverter, solar charger controller, battery. Pwede din siya battery with... Hindi ko mag-gets. Basta ito. And, ito din kasi yung gamit ni Master Francis. So, ginaya ko lang. This is the solar power inverter with buzzer. So, kung gusto mong sumagot, mag-buzzer ka lang. Wali. So, tada! Hindi siya, heavy siya pero hindi masyado. Mas heavy yung power bank ko. So, we have red and black clips. And, also, baby, di ko kabalo mo tao doon eh. And this is the inverter itself. Okay. So, here, ito lang, and yung manual na hindi natin binabasa, pero baka basahin ko ito ngayon kasi hindi ko alam. So, yan. Tada! Maliit lang pala siya. So, yan. Sobrang liit niya. Yan. Okay. 1,500 watt DC to AC solar power inverter with buzzer. Bzz. Okay. So, ito yung manual. Yung manual natin. DC to AC power inverter user guide. Okay. So, meron dito yung mga possible na problems that the user may encounter. So, paano ba to? Okay. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano. So, here, sa side na ito, meron tayong, ito ba yung saksakan ng extension? Baby, saksakan eh. May, saksakan eh.
Oh, saksakan.
So, saksakan daw eh. And, on-off na ano. So, ito, meron siyang indicator na red kung fault and green kung power. So, meron dito yung USB. Pwede din pala dito USB. So, okay. And then, sa other side naman, ito yung 12V na positive and negative. Okay. Okay. Nag-ML pa man akong uyab. Ayun sa man, hindi makakabaloan eh. Basaho na to.
Connect the switch on the inverter, then connect the converter to the battery. What's a converter? Confirm the power of the AC product is lower than nominal power before using. Put 220V plug on the AC potential into 220 socket in the converter. Turn on the inverter during splitting up. But it is in proper working order. The red light flipping up means the inverter has turned off because of over voltage, low voltage, overload, or over temperature.
Wow! So, eto, if nag-light yung red, possible na nag-overload siya, low voltage, over temperature, and over voltage.
So in many cases, the converter alarm turn off because the car cigarette lighter socket output is limited. You need to start your vehicle or reduce power and it would be back to normal. So AC product will not operate. What's the AC? Wait lang naman sa picture. Okay, and then so here, connecting diagram. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-connect. Hindi ko gets kung paano siya itong lock. Okay. So, i-connect siya dito.
So, I'll be right back.
Okay, so meron na tayong jowa to the rescue. So, nagets ko na kung paano. So, go na Hindi ko alam. Pwede na sa dito. Diha, nagpalit na ko. Pero gi-charge pa man ako ang battery.
Galoning black. Negative man ito.
Negative ba ito?
Basta yung black negative. Meron naman pong sign. Tsaka 12 volts po itong inverter. Tsaka meron ding washer. Tatanggalin din to kasi para mamaya pang lock. Ito washer. Tsaka yung positive kulay red. Tatanggalin din. Tsaka meron ding washer. Washer, baby. Ito po yung washer po. Tsaka tanggal na po yung negative tsaka positive. Sige, go. I-connect. I-connect. Tinanggal mo na doon. Laptop tsaka wifi agad ito po yung black for negative tsaka lagyan ng washer. Ito po washer para hindi hindi didikit ito sa may goma.
Sure?
Meron naman din washer din sa barko.
Ayun, may buta daw.
Hindi ikpitan, basta mag-lock lang konti. Ganyan na po. Okay na yan. Huwag na. Ganyan lang. Kaparehas po dito, lagyan din ng washer. Ayun. Wait lang. Hindi muna. Tapos na to, washer agad. Baby, washer ba yung... Ito ba yung inuna ko? Oo, washer. Ito na. Before yung washer. Okay na po. Talagay ko na. Meron po dito yung switch.
Uy, ha?
Oh.
Grabe ang pansin.
Meron po ito switch. Switch. Red.
Hindi ko na naging ganina.
Ay, sinabi mo ba?
Diyan pa ang battery here. So, tanggalin muna natin para ma-check yung inverter.
Ito yung sinabi mo, baby. Indicator niya na okay.
Sige, baby, testing mo. Hindi ba na dapat magdikit ang black and red na
Okay, paksi yun. Baby,
may oras mong gitaro.
baby. Kani, baby, gunitan ba yung baby? Pwede na gunitan? Sure ba?
Sige. Ginagawa ko. Ay, sige, pag-ara.
Uy, magirig ko eh. Magirig, promise. Ikarigan lang iko. Ikarigan lang iko. Palayas ako.
Ay, pakita mo. Opo, pakita mo. Na-indicate na po yung light. Yan, kulay green tapos automatic on na po yung
Try daw
blower.
tag-charge, guys.
Blower. Yung yung blower, pakita mo dito. Yan po yung blower. Yan po. Yan, saan yung Saan yung...
Charger. Yan po. Sample lang ito, tsaka doon, extension.
Yan charger na laptop.
Siya, nakita niyo naman kanina na nag-charge na. And
Charger na
ito
laptop.
yung charger ng laptop. At saka ito din yung sa extension. Ito. So, connected siya sa inverter. Inverter connected sa battery. Okay, so, nasaksak na po. Anyan, charging na po siya. So, that's it for our video today. And thank you very much, Jowa. Thank you very much. Twinning kami. Twinning. Thank you very much sa pag-connect ng aking power back app.
Wila nagnaong eh.
And tell me if you want to know more about my power back apps. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga power backups ko, and just tell me if you want to see, if you want to watch my video discussing my power backup, and I will make a video about that in my next vlog. Thank you so much, and
Subscribe.
let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have video suggestions, just please let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And see you again on my next video. Tabo ni Mai in 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Bye!